In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you create or enable public profile on your Snapchat, you can now showcase your creativity by uploading videos to the public. Now to create your own, let's first head over to the Snapchat app. From your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. And then if you scroll down, you should also be able to see an option of public profile right here. But if you don't, you can click on this options right here. And you'll see create public profile. You can tap on that. And it's going to give you a few details about public profile. You can tap on get started and create. Now your public profile has been created. You can scroll down a bit and you'll see an option of my public profile. If you tap on it, now you can customize it as your likings. You can add in a cover, you can edit it and tap in your bio and location and other stuff. Now from here you'd be able to create in stories or add in spotlights. Public profiles are shown on the story tab right here. So these all are public profiles, and if you create one, you can also post in videos similar to this. So that was the process on how to create public profiles on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.